Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is a collaboration for blooms and it's organized by Petra Jamblon, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, and Resonating R by Amy, and Pour Resin with Love, Tina. This beautiful mold, which is from Pouring Your Heart Out, I'm going to be using solid solution alcohol inks, and I'm going to use this also in the middle, which is gold. And I am using Platinum 360 Plus. And what else? Yeah, so I'm going to keep it really simple because blooms are not really one of my fortes, as I have said before. I try to do them as simple as possible because I'm not perfect at doing blooms. So I'm going to keep it very simple. All right, I will be using Custom Craft for the white, and we'll see how we go. So I've put a little bit for the white here, and I'll get cracking. The resin is up to temperature 33.5, which I think it's about 92 Fahrenheit. I think, I'm not very good with Fahrenheit, but I think that's about right. So, white. All right, so I've put 4 drops. And I've added just a tiny bit of interference red into the white. It just gives it a slight shimmer, more into the golds. All right, so that's the white. Now, a quick torch to get some of these little bubbles out. And we're going to start with the gold. Some gold in the middle. And I'm going to be using some red crushed glass in the middle. This red was leaking a little bit, so all right, I think that will do it. I'm gonna give it a little swirl. I can never get gloves that fit me properly. They're either too big or too small. Alrighty, and I can see a bubble here. And then here. And we are off. And like I said, I'm going to keep it very simple. Let's see. I think that will do it. You don't really need much white. I'm only going to actually go this way. And I'm gonna go in like that in the middle. It's very simple. Very, very simple to do. And I will be giving it a little bit of heat. And that's it. Once that's set, I will do a backing, and I might do the backing in gold. All right, bye for now. So let's have a look if it's worked. I did a gold backing on it. Oh, look how beautiful that turned out. That is just stunning. I'm very, very happy with that. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Bye for now. Stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us.